Hey friends, if you wish to delete all viruses and malware from your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Why are we clicking on check for updates in the right pane? The reason is that Microsoft launches a lot of security updates, which keeps your system up to date with the latest security threats. So if you have not installed the latest updates, it will be a problem. For example, the latest update was the security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender. Now, till it is completed, it would be no use just scanning the system for viruses. Now, search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open the Windows Security application. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab in the left pane. Click on Scan options in the right pane. Select Full Scan. Scroll down and click on Scan Now. It will initiate the scan, which will complete in a while. The next solution is to delete all the temporary files. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. Type the command temp and hit Enter to open the temporary files menu. Select all these files, hit the Delete key and select Cancel. All files will be deleted except for the ones which are currently in use. Now, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window, and this time type the command %temp% and hit Enter. In this folder, select any one file, press Control plus A to select all, hit the Delete key, click on Cancel. It will delete all of these files. Now, the third one is Prefetch. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. Type the command Prefetch and hit Enter. It will ask for permissions. Click on Continue. Select any one file. Press Ctrl plus A. Hit the Delete key. Select Cancel. So all of this has been deleted. Lastly, you can run the disk cleanup tool. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the disk cleanup tool. Click on OK. Select all of these boxes here and click on OK and then click on delete files. It will start clearing all of these files. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.